Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today in this video we will see how we can remove acne or pimple marks from a picture. Also I wonder why you want to remove acne or pimple marks from a picture. Because you have clicked a picture or you have a picture in your mobile phone and it has a lot of acne on the face and you don't like it, you want to remove it. Or maybe you feel insecure about your acne and pimple, or it is someone else's picture and they want it to get removed, or whatever the reason it could be. So in this video I'll show you how easily you can remove acne or pimple marks or even any spots on the skin. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description, you can check that as well. So first you have to install an app which is AirBrush. As you can see, this is the logo of the AirBrush. If you don't have one, then you should install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, you just have to simply tap on it to open it. And once it get open, you will see two options. First it says if you want to open a camera, then you will click picture at the moment. Otherwise, if you click on gallery, your mobile photo gallery open, and from there you will select any picture. So here right now I'm just gonna click on library and then we'll select a picture from photo gallery that has acne on it. So here I got this picture. As you can see, it has a lot of acne or pimple on it. So we will see how we can remove it. So at below we have few options. As you can see, you just have to swipe it a bit and then you will see an option which says acne, this one. You just have to simply select this option. Through this option you can easily remove acne and scar marks. So now you just have to simply tap on the skin where you see pimples or acne or any kind of scarring. You just have to select every part of the skin where you see any kind of mark, and then you just have to tap on it, and then app will keep removing it. If you have only one spot or two spot, then you just have to type once or twice. But if you have a lot of acne on the picture, then you have to keep removing all these scars one by one. It might take a few minutes, but the result will be really great. So that's how you have to remove every mark on the screen by just tapping on it. And once you're done with it, what you have to do is you can see after and before results too. You just have to click on this option which is on the right side of the screen, this one. If you click on it, you will see the before. This is the before, and when you leave it, you will see the after effects. You can see the difference is very much. And once you're done with this, what you have to do is if you want to undo it, you can also do it through this option, and if you want to redo it, you can redo that. And once you're done with all that, what you have to do is you have to click on this icon, this one. Just click on it and then it will get saved into your mobile phone gallery. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can remove acne or pimple marks on a skin from a photo. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video.